So let's start with the definition of oral hygiene and why it is important to take care of it. Oral hygiene is the practice of keeping one's mouth clean and free of disease and other problems by regular brushing of the teeth and cleaning between the teeth. And the important is preserving your pearly white, prevent serious health complications, increase confidence, avoid costly procedures and decrease pain.
An infected tooth also will bring a bad smell when people start to talk. This issue should be solved because teeth have many functions in our lives. Without teeth, we cannot eat properly. Even smiling will be beautiful with clean and healthy teeth. Besides, bad smells also will bring people's esteem down. So this problem should be solved so that people will have healthy teeth, gum and fresh breath. The main problem of the issue is people have less awareness about the healthiness of their teeth, which can lead to many dangerous diseases. For example, the problem that we usually see is thickened plaque or tartar that requires people to do scaling, or it will get worse and can damage the structure of the teeth.
There are 5 causes of the problem that stated here. The first one is infection in the mouth such as cavities, gum disease and so on. The next one is dry mouth. It is because when the body does not produce enough saliva. The third one is food. Food gets stuck in the mouth, or the food that cause the bad breath such as onion and garlic. The next one is poor dental hygiene. It is like they not brush teeth regularly or they not floss the teeth. And the last one is health problem such as got tonsils problem, infection in the nose, throat or lung.
This problem is not very significant, but the effect is bigger than we can expect. People around us were affected by this problem because they will feel uncomfortable when they can smell bad breath from our mouths. We also get affected if we are the ones who suffer from this problem. For example, swollen gums can produce a bad smell and make us feel embarrassed to talk to people. Oral hygiene is important, so please check your teeth and breath always so that you and people around will be comfortable.
Next, I'm going to share some potential solutions to solve the issue. If you have a bad breath problem, you may practice these tips in your daily life. First, you have to brush your teeth after you eating. This is because there will be some food that will stuck into your teeth, and some of them may be vegetables, chicken, meats, and many more. So you have to brush your teeth after you eating to avoid a bad breath. Second, you have to schedule a regular checkup with the dentist. This is because dentists can figure out what is the tooth problem you may face in your life. Some of them may be cavities, gum diseases, and fractured teeth. So you have to meet and make appointment with the dentist to figure out what is the actual problem with your teeth. Next, you have to avoid sour food that can occur bad breath. Surprisingly, cheese is one of them, so you have to avoid eating it if you don't want to have a bad breath problem. Last but not least, you can use sugar mints free that can freshen up your breath after you eating. And maybe you can also use a refresher in your mouth.
In Islamic perspective, the Prophet Muhammad SAW has suggested to use miswak as it can clean our mouth and we can pleasure Allah by practicing it. Taking care of health is also what Islam asks us to do. It is not only our body, but taking care of teeth is also one of them. This is clearly mentioned in the hadith. There are 2 blessings which many people do not appreciate, which is health and leisure. Cleanliness is also half of our faith. So it is an obligation for us to make sure the cleanliness of our body, including the teeth.
To conclude, maintaining good dental hygiene is vital to living a positive, healthy life. Taking charge of your health can be very empowering and provides you with peace of mind. As is the case with all medical treatment, preventative care can save your time, money, and reduce stress. Thank you.